Okay, so Mesa's outside looking up like a frozen statue. What is it? She hasn't moved in 10 minutes. She's locked in. I wonder what it could be. A squirrel. Don't know how he got up there, but they've been in a stare down for 10 minutes. Very cute. Meanwhile, I gotta go outside and get Gypsy because she's tangled up around the deck. Poor squirrely squirrel. What you looking at, Mesa? What you looking at, a squirrel?